This video is a guide to demonstrating the pull-through and how much more effective it is in comparison with alternative channel cleaners. Comprehensive tutorials and demonstrations of the pull-through are available online. They can be viewed on computers, laptops and smart devices. If you hold the cleaning head, you can feel that the wipers are soft and flexible. Because the wipers are softer than the tubing in the channel, they will not damage it. First, we test the cleaning head against the distal end to make sure that the wipers are not too tight or too loose. If you are concerned, check that the pull-through is suitable for this channel's internal diameter. Here you can see the flexible wipers changing shape to fit and seal the internal channel. You can feel the clean as the wipers are drawn along the channel wall. The wipers form a complete 360-degree seal in the channel. We have studies that show the pull-through is far more effective at removing soil from a channel than a bristle brush. A bristle brush can remove between 29 and 90% of soil from a channel. In a single pass, the pull-through will remove 96% of the soil 100% of the time. The flexible 360-degree seal also provides other benefits when the instrument is cleaned with detergent. As the wipers pass through the channel, any biological residue left behind is reduced to a thin, even film. This creates a large surface area that the detergent can attack and remove more effectively. The seal creates a vacuum that draws the detergent into the channel. This offers a number of benefits. It ensures there is detergent in the channel to attack and dissolve biofilm. The flushing action as the detergent moves through the channel removes soil from scratches in damaged lumens. Using the pull-through to clean instruments with detergent provides the end user with confidence that the channels are clean and that the instrument is now ready for high-level disinfection.